over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Duck lives mostly in warm regions. Fun facts. Ducks may waddle away slowly, but they can fly pretty fast. Top speed 70 miles per hour.
But only 4 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Little bird, can you sing me a little song of love?
Peacock is the national bird in India. Fun facts. The colorful tail is to impress females, and it grows from its back when the bird is about 3 years old.
Little bird, can you teach me how to fly to the sky? Little bird, can you sing me a little song of love? Little bird, can you teach me how to fly to the sky? Little bird, can you sing me a little song of love? Little bird, can you teach me how to fly to the sky? Little bird, can you sing me a little song of love? Little bird, can you teach me how to fly to the sky?
Eagle lives in high cliffs or tall trees. Fun facts. They have great eyesight. They can spot food from up to 2 miles away. Penguin lives in southern hemisphere. Fun facts. They are aquatic flightless birds, but they are great swimmers. The fastest one can swim like 22 miles per hour. Pigeon lives all over the world. Fun facts. Incredible navigators. They can find their way back even if they are blindfolded and released in distant locations.
have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.